I've seen mockingbirds, mourning doves, sparrows. Occasionally a bird will buzz right behind one of our live reports. Inside one of these canopies, a robin has actually built a nest, and you often see squirrels running all around the north lawn. In fact, not too long ago, a squirrel came right up to me, close enough to eat out of the palm of my hand.
We're on the south lawn of the White House, waiting for the president's helicopter to arrive. And you look and see and go, oh my God, that's a fox. A fox on the White House south lawn.